Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over the best ways you can fix your gut health. First is to eat fiber-rich and probiotic packed foods. Fiber is a plant-based nutrient that reduces the risk of metabolic diseases by stimulating the growth and diversity of good bacteria in the gut. Research suggests that sweet potatoes, spinach, beets, carrots, and fennel are full of naturally gut-enhancing fiber. Besides fruits and vegetables, whole grains are a rich source of fiber as well. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha are also prized for their gut-boosting abilities, thanks to the presence of their probiotics. Yogurt specifically may calm gastrointestinal conditions like diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, and constipation. One study found people who eat yogurt regularly have more lactobacilli, a gut-benefiting bacteria, in their intestines, as well as fewer bad bacteria, which is linked with inflammation. The second way is to consider a supplement. Probiotic supplements have become increasingly popular as the word of importance of gut health continues to spread. While probiotic supplements aren't the fix-all and magic pill, there is some evidence that they can help a lot. Now, the supplement I recommend is Sinogut. This supplement, for me personally, has fixed pretty much all my digestive issues I had. I've done a couple videos mentioning it, but this supplement really is amazing. So I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. The third is exercise. Now, movement is medicine for so many parts of the human body, including the microbiome. In both animal and human studies, researchers have found that exercise promotes an increase of diversity in healthy bacteria in the gut. Exercise overall is just extremely important for your health and positivity of your life. So I recommend always staying active at least a few times a week, whether that be going to the gym, walking, just anything. Just stay active. And the fourth and final is to reduce your stress. Stress isn't just about mental. Think about the butterflies you feel when you're excited or anxious in your stomach. Well, experts in gut health often call the gut the second brain. While we don't know everything about their relationship, we do know that they're intimately connected. Research suggests that anxiety and depression are affected by the gut and vice versa. They can increase the risk of IBS, and people with IBS are more likely to experience mental health disorders. It's a negative feedback loop. So try to reduce your stress levels because that is affecting your gut biome and your gut health in general. So I hope this video helped you out. Try to avoid these things and fix and do what I said, and it should lead to some positive impacts. Hope you enjoyed and hope it helped you out. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.